Hey, this is Greg at Bolt Lining Rental with another 2-second lean video. This one's going to be about our reordering process. We made these Kanban cards that all have reordering information and product info for all the expendables we carry in the shop. So now the process for reordering things is you walk over to a shelf, say it's black E-tape, let's say we're out of black E-tape. Alright, as you can see in the back of this box, there's a Kanban card stuck in the back. That tells us that we've reached the end of this bin and we need to reorder more. There's a bin behind it of usable back stock while we're waiting for the new shipment. What you do now is you take this bin, put it down this little ramp that tells me that we're out of something. You take the Kanban card, throw it on my desk under where it says Kanban reorders. Then all you have to do is take the QR code on this Kanban card, scan it with our QR code reader. That opens up the website from our manufacturer, and then you can just scroll down and order the appropriate quantity you need. The other cool thing that we started doing was a lot of our expendables we had to reach out directly and send emails to manufacturers. Now what we do is, let's say we need something from Tap Plastics. I take our iTouch that we use to scan our orders. I scan the QR code. This little message pops up and it makes an email to the vendor with a subject header and already pre-made out message with all the specifics of the thing we need to reorder, and you can just hit send and it orders it for you. So definitely saves time emailing, keeps track of our inventory of our rentals and our expendables. So yeah, that's the Kanban card system.